Hello everyone, in this video we will solve GATE 2022 ME Set 1 question number 12. This question is from topic Engineering Mathematics and more specifically from differential equations. The question is solution of del square t equal to 0 in a square domain with boundary condition, and these four boundary conditions are given to us is, and these are the four options. Now equation like this is called as the Laplace's equation. So this del square t is the Laplace's equation, and for a Cartesian system, for a two-dimensional Cartesian system, this Laplace's equation turns into this expression. So del square t by del x square plus del square t by del y square equal to 0 is the Laplace's equation in 2D Cartesian system. Now for our question, instead of solving the whole Laplace's equation, we can simply look at all the four options and these four boundary conditions given to us and see which of these four options satisfy all these four boundary conditions. So let's see the given boundary conditions. So the function t at x is equal to x and y is equal to 0 is given as simply x, and the function t at x is equal to 0 and y is equal to y is given as y. Again, the function t at x is equal to x and y is equal to 1 is given as 1 plus x, whereas the function t at x is equal to 1 and y is equal to y is given as 1 plus y. Now let's try to test all these options. So for option A, txy is nothing but x minus xy plus y, and let's try to apply the boundary conditions. So t at x is equal to x and y is equal to 0 will be, so x stays and y becomes 0 x. So the first boundary condition is satisfied. Let's try to see the second boundary condition, which is t at x is equal to 0 and y is equal to y, and this is also satisfied. Now the third boundary condition, so t at x is equal to x and y is equal to 1 will be x minus x plus 1. So this is 1, but we have been given that this third boundary condition is 1 plus x, thus option A cannot be right, so we reject option A. Now let's move on to option B. So t of x comma y for option B is x plus y. Now again, t of x is equal to x is equal to x and y is equal to 0 will simply be x, and similarly the second boundary condition will also be satisfied. Now looking at the third boundary condition where x is equal to x and y is equal to 1, we will get 1 plus x, and the fourth boundary condition where x is equal to 1 and y is equal to y, we will get 1 plus y. So all the four boundary conditions are satisfied for option B. So we can check similarly for option C and option D, and we'll find that option C and option D do not satisfy the boundary conditions, all the boundary conditions. Thus option B is the correct option to this problem. So we solved this question and the correct option was option B. And in order to know more about the solutions of Laplace's equation, you can refer to this NPTEL course video by Professor D.K. Ghosh from IIT Bombay.